Namaste, you are welcome to our virtual class run by Anipapsan Kaski. Dear students, today we are learning Social Studies class 7, Unit 2, Lesson 1. Under the topic, we are today talking about the religious custom. Religious custom means the activities what have been followed by our ancestor. What our ancestor used to do in the past and then we have been following it. They are the custom. And under the same topic, today we are learning about the religious customs of our society. And then, especially Nepal is multi-religious country. We have 10 religions, we have been following them. And their religion especially is the devotion to God. If you have faith on God, if you believe God means supernatural power. And then how you have respect on the God, and then that is pertaining to the religion. And religion stresses on the peace, non-violence, and then they especially teach us about to respect to our senior, loving the junior. These are the common activities we should follow under the religion. And then another one is that religion always diminishes the individualism. We should live for the plural or the many, and that is the teaching given by any religion of the world. And about the religion in Nepal, people of Nepal are God-fearing, they are pious in nature, and they have been following almost 10 religions because Nepal is multi-religious country. Many religions have been followed by Nepalese people. And then another one is that we have been practicing religious tolerance. It means that all the religions of Nepal we have been following, they are existing, they are in same manner, they are in equal manner we have been following. Means there is the concept of believing the coexistence of all religions. Means we do not disturb the work of any other religion in the country. There is religious tolerance, dharmic sahisnuta. We do not disturb, interrupt any religions. Means we respect others' religions as well. If one goes to church, other may go to a temple, or another may go to mosque, anywhere else, but they are respected by one another. That is the aspect or the practice of religious tolerance. It is the identity of Nepalese society. That is our religious custom. And now, as we have discussed here that Nepal is multi-religious country. It means that Nepal बहु धार्मिक देश हो. We have been following many religions. We have been practicing 10 religions in Nepal. And then here Hinduism. Hinduism is the eternal religion. It is the world's religion. And then we do not know about its founder well. We do not know about the fixed time of its beginning. So it is the eternal religion as well. And Hinduism. And Hinduism focuses on, beliefs on the polytheism. Many god and goddesses are being worshipped. There is not only one God to be worshipped. In the name, we worship that Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar, and then are the Shiva, Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, and then serpent. Everything are the God and goddesses in different names we have been worshipping. Then The scripture means it does not have the single holy book to be followed, and then it has many books. We keep them, we regard them as the holy book, and then that is Gita, Upanishad, and then Mahabharata, Ramayana, and Ved. These are the major scriptures or the holy books we have been following, we have been reading is the guideline of the Hindu religion. Hindu religion is the oldest one, it is the eternal one, and it believes on the polytheism, means many gods are being observed or worshipped. Another, every religion in the world, they teach us to be kind. They teach us to be benevolent. They teach us to be generous. And then every religion, they guide us to be totally kind-hearted. So that Hinduism teaches us to be polite. Hinduism teaches us to be generous. Hinduism teaches us to be the men to help poor and respecting the gurus, guruma, or the god and goddesses as well. And Hinduism, the followers of Hinduism, they go to mandir or temple for worshipping. That is the pilgrimage for the Hindus. And major festivals, Dasai, Tihar, Chhath, Holi are the major festivals of Hinduism. And then if I revise it once again, Hinduism is the oldest religion and it is the eternal one, and it believes on polytheism and idol worshipping or worshipping the stone or serpent. Everything happens in Hinduism. And another one is that Hinduism teaches us to be kind, generous, and to be in peace, non-violence. These are the major teachings of Hinduism. And again, another one is that the people used to go to temple for worshipping God and goddesses, and that is about Hinduism. And now we are talking about Buddhism. Buddhism is the religion of reason, and it is the religion of fact, and it does not believe on any supernatural power. And Buddhism is the second largest religion of Nepal, means many followers after Hinduism believe on Buddhism. And Buddhism, the founder of Buddhism is Siddhartha Gautama. And as we talked about Hinduism, we do not know about the founder of Buddhism, founder of Hinduism. Now here scripture and Tripitaka, Jataks are the major scriptures of Buddhism, means they contain the life history of Gautam Buddha and the teaching of Gautam Buddha. They have been enshrined in these two books. Another teaching, Buddhism teaches us to be kind, non-violent, peaceful, and helping the junior, the poor, and we should not provide any sort of the grievance or any sort of sadness or the torture to anybody else. That is about the Buddhism. Another, that Buddhism believes on the world is with full of suffering, and suffering can be diminished or ended, and suffering can be ended through the meditation, and that is the teaching of Gautam Buddha, meditation. Okay, and Another one is that worshipping places are the gumbas and monasteries, and monk and nun uh, especially care about the idols there or the statue there. And Swambhinath, Buddhanath, Lumbini, these are the major pilgrimage of Buddhism. Another major festival, Buddha Purnima, Vaishak Purnima is supposed to be the major festival of Buddhism. And now we talked about two religions today under the topic religious custom. Religious means the way of believing God, having faith on God, that is religion, dharma. Custom means the activity that we have been following as they were done at the time of our forefather, and the practices they have been inherited by us. They are called the custom, traditional activities. And on Hinduism or Buddhism we read today. On Buddhism, founder is Gautam Buddha, and the scripture are Tripitak or the Jataks, and then main teaching non-violence and peace, and the major worshipping places, gumbas and monasteries. That is we learned today. And then we ended today's topic. Before ending the topic, I am giving you homework. The homework for today is, what is the religion? Another, and why is Nepal called multi-religious country? Religion is the practice of believing God and goddesses. Okay, and then multi-religious means Nepal, it is the characteristics of Nepalese society, and many religions have been followed, so Nepal is called multi-religious country. And write any three differences between Hinduism and Buddhism. And Hinduism generally believes on animal sacrifice, and then worshipping or polytheism it believes on, but that Buddhism does not believe on the animal sacrifice, and then it only guides people to believe one the factual religion. It is about world suffering that can be ended through the eightfold path, and then that is the religion of fact. But it is the Hinduism is the religion of vague. Okay, and then we learnt about both the religions today. In this way I am terminating today's lesson. Thank you. Have a good day.